Hello everyone, let's have a start to make a demo for the install the fast connector. Just take a look. First of all, let's take out one piece, the AC fast connector, which is a green one, green housing. It is APC, preferred. Take out the housing and screw out the screw cap. Insert the screw cap into the FTTH cable and using the stripper, strip out as bare fiber. And make cable holder to make sure insertion as the 10mm as the bare fiber. Strip out and using the alcohol for cleaning. Make sure it's clean. Then using the fiber cleaver, cut out the bare fiber as 10mm. And then put the bare fiber into the fast connector. And make sure the bare fiber should be bending. That's the point. And then make the connection cap. Just push down. And screw in is a screw cap. Make it tighten. Final step is the housing. As they call the completed installation for the SCAPC fast connector. Nice and easy.